Net clipping machine. Turn on the machine. The machine is equipped with an emergency red stop button. Press the green start button. The green indicator light will turn on. Take the net, extend it properly, and twist its end. Insert the twisted end into the machine opening, where the machine trims, cuts, and seals the net. Place the clipping head into the machine's trimming section. Take the label tag and place it in the machine's trimming section. The label tag is used to attach and securely hold the product information label with the net during the clipping process. Place the required quantity of onions into the hollow structure so they fill the net properly. Twist the open end of the net and insert it into the machine for clipping sealing. The efficient clipping mechanism ensures quick and secure net sealing. Fill potatoes into the net, twist the open end, and insert it into the machine. The potatoes are securely sealed inside the net. Place a pack of 2 liquid refill pouches inside the net and repeat the same trimming and sealing process. The machine is suitable for packaging fruits, vegetables, toys, and refill pouches. It provides strong and reliable clips to prevent leakage or loosening of the product. The machine is compatible with different net sizes and clipping materials for versatile use. Its compact, durable, and easy to operate design makes it user-friendly. It is ideal for continuous and high-speed packaging operations. The pouches are neatly sealed with strong and secure packaging.